learning the point acceleration, there are two types of acceleration. Which are they? Uniform and non-uniform acceleration. Then we are going to see the definition of uniform acceleration. What is the definition? If the velocity changes by equal amount in equal interval of time, the object have uniform acceleration. Suppose take one example of a car. Car is traveling from Sangli to Pune. Then in 1 hour its speed is 50 km per hour. In second hour its speed is 100 km per hour. In third hour its speed is 150 km per hour. That is, in first hour it is 50, second hour is 100 km per hour, third hour is 150. That is change in velocity in equal amount. Change in velocity, that is change in velocity 50 in 50 km per hour. For every hour the velocity increases by 50. Okay, so what happens? Velocity changes in equal amount. So you can say change in velocity with the time acceleration. Okay, but it changes in equal amount in equal interval of time. You can say uniform acceleration. Now next term is non-uniform acceleration. If the velocity changes by unequal amount in equal time interval, in equal time interval, the object have non-uniform acceleration. Suppose take example of a car which goes from point A to point B. In first hour its velocity is suppose 25 km per hour. In second hour its velocity is 35 km per hour. And in third hour its velocity is suppose 75 km per hour. You can see here, in first hour it is 25, in second hour it is 35, in third hour it is 75. If you take the difference, is the velocity same? Change in velocity is the same, difference is same? No. That is, velocity, change in velocity, you can say, is not same in equal interval of time. So it is called as non-uniform acceleration. म्हणजे velocity बदलते, पण ती इक्वल अमाउंट मध्ये बदलते का? नाही. जर velocity इक्वल इंटरवल मध्ये, इक्वल टाइम इंटरवल मध्ये डिफरन्स दोघांमधला velocity जी चेंज होते त्यामधला सेम येत नसेल, म्हणजे velocity बदलत आहे पण त्यामधले जे अमाउंट आहे ती सेम नसेल, तर त्याला काय म्हणणार आपण? नॉन युनिफॉर्म ऍक्सलरेशन. आणि velocity बदलते पण त्यांच्यामधला डिफरन्स जो आहे तो सेम येत असेल, इक्वल अमाउंट येत असेल, डिफरन्स फर्स्ट आवर मधला, सेकंड, जसं आपण अमर अकबर अँथनीचं एक्झाम्पल बघितलं त्या पद्धतीने velocity सेम अमाउंट मध्ये चेंज होत असेल तर त्याला काय म्हणायचं? युनिफॉर्म ऍक्सलरेशन. इफ यू कॅन सी, यूज युअर ब्रेन पॉवर. सम क्वेश्चन्स आर आस्क्ड. आता काही पुस्तकांमध्ये प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक आहे. क्वेश्चन इथं दिलेत, फर्स्ट पॅराग्राफ मध्ये खाली दिलेत आणि कोणाकोणाच्या बुक मध्ये काय दिले? यूज युअर ब्रेन पॉवर मध्ये दिलेत. We are going to see the answer of these questions. What are the questions? When object is at a rest, in the beginning of its motion, what its initial velocity? At a rest means the object is not moving anywhere. It is as it is. Suppose if you take the example of duster, which is placed on the table, means that it is at a rest. It is not moving here and there. It is called as a rest. बघा, एखादी वस्तू रेस्ट मध्ये आहे तर त्याची इनिशियल वेलोसिटी किती असेल? आता द ऑब्जेक्ट इज नॉट इन मोशन, सो इट्स वेलोसिटी इज 0. सो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज 0 व्हेन इट इज ॲट अ रेस्ट. दॅट इज हाऊ टू रिप्रेझेंट इनिशियल वेलोसिटी? इट इज रिप्रेझेंटेड बाय स्मॉल u. That is u is equal to 0. Now next question is, when object come to rest at the end of motion, what its final velocity? Suppose you are playing with a ball. After some time, if you throw a ball in upward direction, after some time it will come down toward the earth. And आता तो खाली आला बॉल तर काय होणार? इट्स फायनल वेलोसिटी बिकम 0. म्हणजे एखादी वस्तू मोशन मध्ये असेल आणि ती थांबल्यानंतर त्याचा वेग किती असणार आहे? वेलोसिटी किती असणार आहे? तर 0. दॅट इज इट्स फायनल वेलोसिटी इज 0. दॅट इज हाऊ टू रिप्रेझेंट फायनल वेलोसिटी? स्मॉल v, that is small v is equal to 0. Next point is positive, negative and zero acceleration. We have seen uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. Now there are another types of acceleration. Which are they? Positive, negative and zero acceleration. Then what is by positive acceleration? If change in velocity of an object increases, that is, you can see when the velocity of an object increases, then acceleration is positive. In this case, acceleration is in the direction of velocity. Take example of a car which is moving from Ashta to Sangli, or it will cover the distance from Ashta to Sangli. You can see in first hour its velocity is 25 km per hour. In second hour its velocity is 50 km per hour. In third hour its velocity is 75 km per hour. That is, you can see there is increase in velocity with the time. म्हणजे त्या कारची velocity काय वाढत आहे आणि velocity बदलत पण आहे. पहिल्यांदा 25, नंतर 50, नंतर 75 अशी जर velocity बदलत असेल आणि वाढत असेल प्रत्येक वेळी, then it is called as positive acceleration. Velocity increases with the time, called as positive acceleration. Negative acceleration means when the velocity of an object decreases with the time, it is called as negative acceleration. The another term for negative acceleration is deceleration. That is, negative acceleration is also called as deceleration. That is, velocity of the object decreases with the time. Suppose one object has velocity in first hour 50 km, in second hour it is 25 km per hour, in third hour its velocity is 10 km per hour. You can see here decrease in velocity of that object. So it is called as in negative acceleration. म्हणजे velocity कमी कमी होत असेल तर त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Negative acceleration. Now next point is zero acceleration. In this negative acceleration, another term for negative acceleration is deceleration. In this case, direction is opposite to the direction of velocity. In case of negative acceleration, its direction is negative or opposite to that of direction of velocity. Now zero acceleration. If the velocity of object does not change with the time, it is called as zero acceleration. That is, velocity remains constant, it does not change, then it is called as zero acceleration. What we can conclude about the acceleration? I have written these points. If question is asked in your exam, write a note on acceleration. So these are short points to remember. Acceleration means change in velocity with the time is called as acceleration. Then its equation is, it is represented by small a. The arrow represent, it is vector quantity. It is represented by equation a is equal to v minus u upon t, where v is a final velocity, u is a initial velocity, t is a timing. It has 5 types actually. First 2 types are uniform and non-uniform acceleration. You should memorize the definition of uniform and non-uniform acceleration. Then next 3 types are positive acceleration, negative acceleration, it is also called as deceleration, and zero acceleration. This is the summary of a note, acceleration. So you have to revise these terms again and again. What is uniform, what is non-uniform, what is positive acceleration, what is negative, and what is zero acceleration.